Welcome to BKSS Academy, my dear students. I hope you are doing great. We are discussing about DHCP, that is Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol of Computer Network. This will be very much helpful for your different kinds of examinations. The Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol has been devised to provide static and dynamic addresses that may be manual or automatic. Components, that is DHCP server, DHCP client, static address, manual address and lease duration. DHCP server, DHCP client, DHCP server, static address, dynamic address, manual address, automatic mode, manual mode and automatic mode and lease duration. A DHCP server has a database that satisfying binds physical address to IP address. Dynamic address allocation: when a DHCP client requests temporary IP address, the DHCP server goes to the pool of available unused IP addresses and assign an IP address for negotiable period of time. When a client requests, there is some pool of IP addresses are there. So from them, those addresses are there in pool which is not used, from them it will be assigned to the client device. DHCP provides temporary IP address for a limited period of time. Static address created manually, dynamic address created dynamically. Static address, when the user is or any person who is giving the IP address, that is static address. By some application or by some technology, if automatically address is given to the system for a particular time period, that is dynamic addressing. Some steps are there. Address assigned from pool of addresses. Some address pool is maintained there. So which address is stored in the pool of addresses, that means that address is free, that can be assigned. Address are temporary. DHCP issues a lease specification time. When lease expires, either client must stop using IP or renew the lease. So a specific time is given. After that, no same IP cannot be used, otherwise that IP will be renewed. The server has the option to agree or disagree to stop or renew the lease. If server disagrees, the client stop using the address. A client can terminate from their side also. These are the some steps during DHCP concept. Thank you. There are 6 main states of a DHCP client, that is initialize, select, request, bound, rebind and renew. Suppose user attaches a laptop to a network. DHCP permits a server allocate the IP address automatically. That is dynamic allocation is necessary for wireless network to use DHCP and computer becomes wait. When a client web obtains an IP address, the client starts 3 timers. After first timer expires, the client attempts to renew the lease. 3 timers are used by the client. The first timer will expire. The client attempts to renew the lease. The second timer expires. Before renewal, the client attempts to rebind. And if final timer expires before a lease has been renewed, the client stop using IP address. So some diagram is here. Client, server, DHCP. Through the DHCP protocol, client will give the request and server will return the response. Similarly, IP address, then DHCP server, then this is the client machine, these are the client machines. So this is the database. So any request we are wanting, so we have to give the request to the DHCP server. Thank you.